From the mechanical power of the industrial age to the global reach of the internet, now, artificial intelligence redefines what... Welcome to the era of absolute intelligence. Here, machines don't just assist us, they think. This is our new reality. As you can see, our gross profits are trending up, while operating costs continue to drop. This is our most successful quarter yet. Let's keep... The neural pathways are aligning perfectly.
Let's check the neural activity here.
This layout reduces energy consumption by half.
The world is changing rapidly. Some choose to ignore it, while others embrace the future.
A new dawn begins, where technology and humanity unite to build a world of perfect harmony. Driven by pure artificial intelligence, humans and machines build the future. Here, artificial intelligence meets human ingenuity, mapping the building blocks of life in real time to unlock a new era of
On this site, humans and machines build the future together. Autonomous cranes and drones are perfectly coordinated.